Okay, g'day guys. Something a little different today for my regular subs. So been getting into the lockpicking for a little while now, and today for your entertainment, I'm going to open this. It's a master lock. It's a 140. Focus, you flare. Come on, you can do it. Maybe you can't. Come on. Come on, Gertrude. There we go. So she's a Master Lock 140, made in Chin. There's the bitting on the key. Focus is working now like a dream. So show you that one works. If I can get it in the hole. This is a lot harder when you're behind the camera. Okay, so all right. So without further ado, let's do this thing. Found a little bit of counter rotation there. There we go. So that's a Master Lock 140. Thanks for watching.